Ever wondered if you can juggle wearing the Redfin badge while secretly selling houses under a different company's banner? First, let's dive into the Redfin employment agreement, specifically those clauses addressing conflict of interest and non-compete stipulations. These agreements often restrict employees from engaging in activities that directly compete with Redfin's business. Next, dig into Redfin's internal policy documents, typically accessible through the employee portal. Understanding these detailed guidelines is crucial, as they clearly define what's permissible and what could land you in hot water. Ethical considerations also play a huge role. Representing Redfin while simultaneously selling under another brand can create a conflict of loyalty, potentially compromising your duty to act in Redfin's best interest. Violating Redfin's policies can lead to serious repercussions, ranging from disciplinary action, including termination, to potential legal battles, especially if trade secrets or confidential information are involved. If you're considering dual employment, consult with a legal professional and Redfin's HR department. They can provide tailored guidance based on your specific situation and help you navigate the complexities of these policies.